Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on TCL 40R. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google and then click on More and I agree. Now click on More and I agree again. And then click Next. Now click on Next again and click More and I agree. Then click on Voice Model and click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click on Next and click Back. Then click Back again and now click on Lock Screen and click Yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.